he's telling Stace to touch some grass, I think he's the one who should touch some grass. Cause look at this. And the name of the song itself, like, guy. Oh my god, did you hear that? But right now it's giving Psycho vibes. Here for it. More, please? What do you mean? Chris? He knows we like psychos. Every girl, low-key, when they see someone who's a little psychotic, they're like, oh my god, he look cute. We don't know. He might be a vampire. He might be hybrid. Do you think Chris knows Vampire Diaries? And if he knows, do you think he would like Klaus? Oh! 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 Oh my god! I'm scared of you now! Why does it sound like a dog? My guy.